Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. As you can tell the way I'm dressed, it's a very brisk North Carolina mountain morning. About 20-21 degrees today. It's not all bad. All the mud's froze. So we got a little bit of job to do today. What you see behind me is 1, 2, 3, 4 large white oaks. I got 2 cottonwoods down here. Don't see those very often around. And I got 1 big chunk of maple burl that my cousin, tree man, dropped off the other day. Here, take care of that for me. So we'll work that in. But the other full length logs are customer logs. He sent me a list. All the smaller ones, we're gonna do 1-inch live edge on both sides, as well as the cottonwood. And the 2 biggest logs over here on this side, he wanted to do 3-inch slabs, live edge on both sides. I had to put the tape measure to it. One of them may just be a little wider than we can go through the head, but I'll show you how we're gonna manage that. That's kind of our goal today for this cold Friday morning, get this sawed up. We appreciate you tuning in, and we'll be right back. Okay guys, you just saved me a load of the log on there. Before we get too far going this morning, and before I forget it, I don't know how many of you guys that watch this channel are actually small business owners, but if you've ever seen this sign in a small business, the NFIB, that's the National Federation of Independent Business Owners. This is why you see this in small business facilities, whether they're restaurants, small motels, small sawmills, you know, whatever, mom and pop shops. The down and dirty of this outfit is they are a pact, basically, for small business owners. I contribute to this as well as anybody else you see that has one of these placards in their business. And this organization looks out for me and you, the small business owner. If you got time, I highly recommend that you look these people up. It's easy Google search, you know, NFIB. They'll come out and talk to you personally. But these people will take our donations and they will go to Congress at the state level, at the federal level, and sit down and talk to your congressmen, your senators, your president, and try to negotiate for better tax laws, OSHA laws, EPA laws, whole host of things that we as small business owners, you know, labor laws, we need help with, that you and I can't, you know, I can't go to Raleigh in North Carolina and have any kind of pull. This organization does. So it's not a paid sponsorship. I paid them, okay? They didn't pay me. So just bear that in mind. If you're a small business owner, check this outfit out, and I'd recommend donating to them. Okay, enough said. That's, you know, there is a financial side to running a business. It's not all sawing logs. You know, it's dollars and cents. Got to keep the lights turned on, the wheels turning every day, and these people can help us do that. So let's get over here on this big log and try to make a plan. Thanks, guys. Okay guys, if you watched through that, we just annihilated that white pine log. Ended up with 22.5-inch wide, 3-inch thick, 12-foot long slabs. That's what the customer wanted them as wide as possible. And I had to turn it back up on its side, top and take a little bit off so we get it through the width on our WoodMizer, but that's it, that's maximum. He's gonna find out when he goes to move them. They're maximum heavy too. So we're gonna slide them off on the tractor, take them out here, stack them up, and we'll get the next big log in, and we're gonna do the exact same thing to it. So we'll be right back. Hey, Mark. Mark's killed. Gotta go your way. But I got a grip. Get it.
Yeah, don't try and move that all by yourself. I just had to reposition.
Never had it. Yeah, we'll just start throwing our waste in this bed back here. Alright. Well, I had a little more on this one than we'll have on the rest of them. When you are. 1, 2, 3. Okay guys, for heaven's sake, when you saw this stuff don't saw it for the same price you saw in 2x4s. You can see Matthew and I struggling, just stacking it. Stuff's called cant for a reason. Can't handle it. Thank goodness it's not oak. If it's oak, we wouldn't even be touching it. We'd take a tractor and set it in there and push it around. But yeah, you can't saw this type of material and do the kind of hard work we're doing for the same thing you're gonna saw 1x4s, 1x10s, you know. Just bear that in mind. Okay, he's gonna get rid of that scrap. We're gonna get the next log up there. Get at it. Thanks, guys. Okay, folks, Matthew and I got the rest of these stacked. We'll fill that in the morning. We ended up with 13 3-inch slabs, anywhere from 16 wide to almost 25 inches wide. It's what the customer wanted. I didn't go into a whole lot of detail what he's going to do with them. I can imagine probably benches or headboards or something, but that's their project. We was going to saw the rest of that in this video, but it's getting a little long, so we're going to end it here, and we'll come back in another video to do the rest of that cottonwood and white pine. Guys, we appreciate you watching. If you would, please like, subscribe, and share. Check that bell icon.
Tuesday.
And Matthew reminded me that, hang on, I'll be right back. Sorry about that, folks. This is real life. That was a customer calling me. He's come by to pick up some wood. We take care of our customers first, and our YouTubers, but you know, I gotta take care of customers. Like I said, we're gonna come back and finish that other order on the next video. We appreciate you watching. If you would, like, subscribe, and share. Matthew wanted me to remind you that we post videos on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday at 5 p.m. Eastern. Leave your comments below. Guys, we'll see you back at the mill.
Thank you for watching. Here's a video selection and a playlist suggestion. Click here to subscribe for more great content. We'll see you at the mill.